Breaking news: every year, millions of Americans turn to small claims court to resolve disputes over money, property, and other civil matters. In fact, according to the National Center for State Courts, over 15 million small claims cases are filed annually. This exclusive report reveals the shocking truth about the small claims court process and how you can use it to your advantage. With the average case valued at around $10,000, it's critical to understand the system. The urgent need for legal reform has led to increased access to small claims courts, making it easier for individuals to seek justice. Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with the latest news and expert advice on finance, investment, and legal matters. If you're interested in learning more about small claims court and how to navigate the process, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We'll be covering topics such as how to file a claim, what to expect in court, and how to win your case. Our goal is to provide you with the best information possible, so you can make informed decisions about your financial and legal well-being. The history of small claims court dates back to the early 20th century, when it was first established as a way to provide access to justice for individuals with limited financial resources. Over the years, the system has evolved to include a range of services, from mediation to arbitration. Today, small claims court is an essential part of the U.S. legal system, providing a critical outlet for individuals to resolve disputes and seek compensation. With the rise of technology, it's now easier than ever to file a claim and navigate the process online. In recent years, there has been a significant increase in the number of small claims cases filed, with many individuals turning to the court system to resolve disputes over debt, credit, and other financial matters. According to a report by the American Bar Association, the average small claims case takes around 6 to 12 months to resolve, with the majority of cases settling out of court. With the right guidance and support, individuals can navigate the process with confidence and achieve a successful outcome. Now, let's take a closer look at the process and explore the key steps involved in filing a claim. Now here's where it gets interesting. The process of filing a claim in small claims court is relatively straightforward. Individuals can typically file a claim online or in person, and the process usually involves providing basic information about the dispute, including the amount of money involved and the names of the parties involved. But that's not all. It's also critical to gather evidence and build a strong case, which can include witness statements, documents, and other supporting materials. With the help of a lawyer or legal expert, individuals can increase their chances of success and achieve a favorable outcome. One of the most critical aspects of the small claims court process is preparing for the hearing. This involves gathering all relevant evidence and witnesses, as well as practicing your argument and presentation. It's also essential to understand the rules of the court and the procedures involved, including the role of the judge and the jury. By being well prepared and confident, individuals can increase their chances of success and achieve a positive outcome. But what happens if you're not sure where to start or how to navigate the process? But that's not all. There are also a range of resources available to help individuals navigate the small claims court process. These include online guides and tutorials, as well as legal aid services and support groups. Additionally, many courts offer mediation and arbitration services, which can provide a faster and more cost-effective alternative to a traditional trial. With the right support and guidance, individuals can achieve a successful outcome and resolve their disputes in a fair and efficient manner. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key resources available and explore how they can help. Now, what I'm about to tell you next is something most people completely miss: the importance of understanding the fees and costs involved in filing a claim in small claims court. While the process is generally less expensive than a traditional trial, there are still costs involved, including filing fees, court costs, and attorney fees. However, with the right guidance and support, individuals can minimize these costs and achieve a successful outcome. For example, many courts offer free or low-cost mediation services, which can provide a faster and more cost-effective alternative to a traditional trial. The cost of filing a claim in small claims court can vary depending on the state and the specific court. However, on average, the filing fee is around $50 to $100, with additional costs for serving the defendant and other expenses. But what's critical to remember is that these costs can be recovered if you win your case, making it a worthwhile investment for many individuals. Additionally, many courts offer payment plans and fee waivers, which can help make the process more accessible to individuals with limited financial resources. When it comes to navigating the small claims court process, it's essential to have the right support and guidance. This can include working with a lawyer or legal expert, as well as seeking out online resources and support groups. By being well prepared and informed, individuals can increase their chances of success and achieve a positive outcome. For example, many lawyers offer free consultations, which can provide valuable insight and guidance. Additionally, online resources such as the American Bar Association's website offer a range of information and tools to help individuals navigate the process. But not everyone agrees. Some critics argue that the small claims court process is too complex and difficult to navigate, particularly for individuals with limited financial resources or legal experience. However, proponents argue that the system provides a critical outlet for individuals to resolve disputes and seek justice, and that with the right support and guidance, anyone can navigate the process and achieve a successful outcome. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key arguments for and against the small claims court system and explore the implications for individuals and society as a whole. One of the most significant advantages of the small claims court system is its ability to provide a fast and efficient way to resolve disputes. On average, a small claims case takes around 6 to 12 months to resolve, compared to several years for a traditional trial. Additionally, the process is generally less expensive, with filing fees and court costs significantly lower than those associated with a traditional trial. But what does this mean for individuals and businesses, and how can they take advantage of the system to resolve disputes and achieve a positive outcome? In terms of the impact on individuals and businesses, the small claims court system can provide a critical outlet for resolving disputes and seeking justice. By providing a fast and efficient way to resolve disputes, the system can help individuals and businesses to avoid lengthy and costly trials, and to achieve a positive outcome. For example, a business owner who is owed money by a customer can use the small claims court system to recover the debt quickly and efficiently, without having to incur significant legal costs. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key ways in which the small claims court system can benefit individuals and businesses. So, what does this mean for you personally? If you're considering filing a claim in small claims court, it's essential to understand the process and the potential outcomes. By being well prepared and informed, you can increase your chances of success and achieve a positive outcome. For example, you can start by gathering all relevant evidence and witnesses, and by practicing your argument and presentation. Additionally, you can seek out the advice and guidance of a lawyer or legal expert, who can provide valuable insight and support throughout the process. In terms of practical takeaways, there are several key things to keep in mind when navigating the small claims court process. First, it's essential to understand the rules and procedures of the court, including the role of the judge and the jury. Second, it's critical to gather all relevant evidence and witnesses, and to build a strong case. Third, it's essential to be well prepared and confident, and to practice your argument and presentation. By following these tips and seeking out the right support and guidance, you can increase your chances of success and achieve a positive outcome. Looking ahead to the future, it's clear that the small claims court system will continue to play a critical role in providing access to justice for individuals and businesses. With the rise of technology and online resources, it's now easier than ever to file a claim and navigate the process. However, it's also essential to recognize the potential challenges and limitations of the system, and to work towards improving and reforming it. For example, Many courts are now offering online mediation and arbitration services, which can provide a faster and more cost-effective alternative to a traditional trial. According to experts, the future of the small claims court system will be shaped by a range of factors, including technology, demographics, and economic trends. For example, the rise of online dispute resolution platforms is expected to increase access to justice and provide a more efficient way to resolve disputes. Additionally, the growing demand for alternative dispute resolution services is expected to drive innovation and growth in the industry. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key trends and predictions, and explore the implications for individuals and businesses. As we conclude this report, it's clear that the small claims court system provides a critical outlet for individuals and businesses to resolve disputes and seek justice. By understanding the process and the potential outcomes, individuals can increase their chances of success and achieve a positive outcome. We hope you found this information helpful and informative, and we encourage you to share your thoughts and comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more news and updates on finance, investment, and legal matters. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you're interested in learning more about small claims court and how to navigate the process, be sure to check out our other videos and resources. We'll be covering topics such as how to file a claim, what to expect in court, and how to win your case. Additionally, we'll be providing tips and advice on how to minimize costs and achieve a successful outcome. Don't forget to follow us on social media for the latest news and updates, and to join our community of individuals and businesses who are passionate about finance, investment, and legal matters.